yes, we got a new contested territory, and it's this tile. This is one of the easiest tiles, so let's do this. Uh, the last tiles, they were like the hardest, and at my level, like all the people, I go to about like around 30 something if I get lucky, but the others are like at 40 something. Yeah, only one guy, so yeah. So what could we take advantage of in this map? Well, we could get a spike factory and put it here so the Moabs could get the damage from that. But anyway, that's for later. Okay. Um. So what could we get? Well, let's definitely get a ninja. But I want a mortar too. Oh, this is difficult. Well, we could get the mortar later. So first, let's get another farm. This could last us for quite a long time. Oh right, and I leveled up. If you guys saw the last video about the consecrated grounds, so that was kind of hard. It was an impossible tile, but yeah, I did it. I needed some luck too, but yeah, this will be the level. Okay, man, these farm placements, they're so awesome. Okay, whoops, I was drinking some cider. Okay, so let's get. Oh, that's not gonna end up well. Yeah, we're gonna need to have road spikes. But how much? I haven't been playing the game for a long time. Well, not for a long time. Just like regular tiles because I was doing consecrated grounds. I was trying that about like 30 times and finally found a strategy that works. So the strategy is just spam wizards. Well, it sounds kind of weird, but it is the only way to do it. Also, sunglasses, they're just too expensive, so no. They just don't work. Oh crap, that's a lot of balloons. Okay. Let's get at least a 1-0. Well, I never tried this consistent territory, so don't expect me to do good. But yeah. Okay, so not doing so bad. Yeah. You know what? Let's get a mortar. We already lack the what was it called? Yeah, we already lack lead popping power. So the only thing that's gonna work is lead popping power. And after this, since we're done with this, let's get a Bloonjitsu. So yeah, the thing is the mortar. Yeah, lead balloons. The thing is, ninjas aren't good for group blues, so a lot of leads not gonna end up well. Gonna have to use spikes. Oh man. Ah, that's not gonna be good. That's definitely not good. Distract them, ninja. That's not gonna be enough. Yep. Okay, so 1,000 money will be able to get us a Bloonjitsu. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We're almost at, yeah, we got our Bloonjitsu. So, we're at level 9. So, it's not a bad time to get more farms, but yeah. Alright, I could get one more farm. So we could get 6 farms. Because I leveled up. But I usually don't get more. Oh crap. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Yep, we're gonna have to need a ring of fire. Oh man, that's just a lot of balloons. So let's get a ring of fire. How? If we get the the Ring of Fire, then we will be. Oh man. Uh oh. Uh oh. Man, why are they so mean to me? Is it because I did a level up? Or I don't know. Oh man. Just this is so harder right now. It's not supposed to have. Oh no. What's gonna happen? Nothing. Okay, good. So we got a lot of popping power. And it's a good time to start with Moab Maulers. So, yeah. Let's start with them. So, this is a good map. We could... Uh-oh. Yeah. No problem, indeed. So, if we put the Moab Maulers here, that they will be able to pop almost the full map. So, yeah. Could this reach? No. Should we get one of these? Nah. What could possibly go wrong? And also, there could be some DDTs. Oh man, just wow. We should get some Moab Maulers just right now. I'm pretty scared that next round the Moabs are gonna come. Well, earlier Moab Maulers don't harm us because they definitely don't harm us. But yeah, they don't harm us though. Well, cannons, they're good for a lot of balloon popping power. Like root balloons. Oh yeah, there's the Moabs. Moab Maulers doing a great job. Awesome. Okay, some ceramics and a Moab. Not such a big problem. You think you could get through my defense? No way. Okay, so I got some 4 tier upgrades. For one, I got, what was that? The mortar upgrade. Yeah, this artillery battery. So if we get the artillery battery, then we will be able to get the long game, the late game. Because I don't like to do late game, but late game is pretty fun. Can't argue with that. Oh man, already a BFB. Well, 3 Moab Maulers are enough for a BFB, but yeah, just for extra. Ooh, that was a lot of balloons. Okay, we're putting this here. I didn't want to get Arctic Wind, but I think we'll have to. Well, we don't lack Moab popping power for right now. Oh man, that's so big range. Okay, let's get the 4K upgrade. The 2-3 Monkey Village, so that we could like get the ninjas popping it, and yeah, so that's more popping power, aka. So the Arctic Wind's doing a pretty good job. Okay, so man, a lot of Moabs are just coming out. And I'm the first person to do the contested territory because our time zone in my country. Not the first person in the whole game, but yeah, in my contested territory. Not everyone is even participating in it. So you got 6. Let's get some popping power. Continue. It's all. Oh, it's only level 24. Oh, this is a good spot for cluster bombs. So should I get a 4-2 cannon? I don't even know. Oh, what? Oh, crap. So let's get some farm upgrades because they never got an upgrade since like the early rounds. Well, that's a lot of BFBs already. But no problem. Hey, you don't even know. There's just no problems. Alright, I got 4-tier farms, but never used them yet. Round 27, soon the DDTs will come. About a 30, they're gonna come. So, hold on. Why? Strong. Should I get a 4 tier? 4 tier, 4 tier spec 30. Wait, is this at first? Why? Can I put this in here? Crap. Just found the spot. Yeah, okay. I'm awesome. Okay, so we're on round 30. We don't have enough Moya Maulers as I thought and I wanted, but yeah. Well, that's a lot of balloons, but we're able to pop them all. I'm just scared of DDTs just coming out. Who doesn't? So since we don't have the oh my god. So since we can't get another village because I only have one, uh, we just can't. Hold on, should I get a 4 tier? Or should I just get a Spike Storm? Oh, decisions. Well, I think first let's get a 2-2. As I see it, I think we should get the Spike Storm right here. That's just so much balloons. No, after thinking of it, let's get a 4 tier. Although we have to sell the farms. So I think like the maximum of the other people going to the higher rounds will be like about, I don't know, a ton. Man, they're just going so far. Uh-oh, DDTs. Uh-oh. 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 We lost. DDT. That's first. Well, the other people. 10. 19. 31. Oh my god. I got to 33 and died at 33, so well, we're here. Hold on, let's get an upgrade for this. Oh, I don't have the money. Well, okay then. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.